If you are physically incapable of cleaning your house or starting a project until it becomes an absolute emergency, your ADHD brain is probably operating on a survival loop. You're relying on stress hormones just to reach a baseline level of focus. I'm Dr. Katz, a clinical psychologist, and this is Psych Talk, where I make ADHD make sense. Most people with ADHD spend years labeling themselves as lazy or waiting around for sudden bursts of motivation that just never comes. The reality about ADHD is that it's an executive functioning issue, and that executive system requires intense, high-stakes consequences before it can physically initiate a task. This comes down to neurobiology. A typical brain relies on dopamine to start routine tasks. An ADHD brain experiences a chronic shortage of that neurotransmitter. So to compensate, your subconscious might wait until the absolute last second to then flood your system with cortisol and adrenaline so that you start forcing a state of focus and sometimes a state of panic. To disrupt this cycle, you have to engineer artificial novelty or micro stakes. So set deadlines for yourself. Try body doubling by working alongside someone else. Use the 5-minute rule. Commit yourself to doing the task for exactly 300 seconds, and then you have permission to quit after it. Just get up and get moving. Dopamine also comes with movement and motion. Sometimes just standing up is enough to prompt the body. You need to bypass that initial neurological friction so you can reach your goal. If your brain needs a crisis just to move, let me know in the comments. And of course, follow for more ways to help manage your executive dysfunction.